Another changing style of the hair in hair material is a tighten. It's very simple. It's tighten. If you go to the render region, it tighten the hair. You can see better here. Activate tighten. Now you can see it's actually curl the hair toward the root. If you increase the number of the tighten, you can see here. It's maintain the style and push and tie the hair toward root. You can see better here. So, which is such a these things you can create carpet or we have variation and randomize this tighten, some hair not, some hair more tighten. Amount is actually control the strength of the settings, and this curves is control the tighten 0% in a root with a nice fall off that you can change it, as I said before, to the tip. 100% of the tighten is occur in tip. Again, with the texture, for example, gradient with a black and white code, you can control which part in a black part I don't have any tighten, and with a gradient gray to the white. For example, in these parts we have half of the tighten and going to the 100% of the tighten at the end of the color code. It has to be black and white code. Or any map that you want, you can control this tighten there. I think you can see better tighten in this direction. Yeah, you can see it curl the hair toward itself. Nice. This is a tighten. You can deactivate it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.